The future of business automation is AI. Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly transforming the way businesses operate. From automating repetitive tasks to making predictions and providing insights, AI is helping businesses save time, money, and improve efficiency. One of the most promising applications of AI is in business automation. AI can be used to automate a wide range of tasks, including 1. Customer service. AI chatbots can answer customer questions and resolve issues 24/7. 2. Data entry. AI can automatically extract data from documents and spreadsheets. 3. Financial reporting. AI can generate financial reports and identify potential risks. 4. Inventory management. AI can track inventory levels and optimize ordering. 5. Marketing. AI can personalize marketing campaigns and target the right customers. AI-powered business automation can help businesses of all sizes to 1. Reduce costs. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can save money on labor costs. 2. Improve efficiency. AI can help businesses to streamline their processes and get things done faster. 3. Increase accuracy. AI can help businesses to improve the accuracy of their data and decision-making.
Are you interested in learning more about how AI can help you? Automate your business. Reach out to Ghaffar Qureshi on LinkedIn today. He is a certified AI expert with over 5 years of experience in helping businesses automate their processes and save time and money.
4. Free up employees. AI can free up employees to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. How AI can help businesses grow and flourish. In addition to the benefits listed above, AI can also help businesses to grow and flourish in a number of ways. For example, AI can be used to 1. Identify new market opportunities. AI can analyze data to identify new market trends and opportunities. 2. Develop new products and services. AI can be used to generate new ideas for products and services that meet the needs of customers. 3. Improve customer service. AI can be used to provide customers with a more personalized and efficient experience. 4. Increase customer satisfaction. AI can help businesses to improve customer satisfaction by resolving issues quickly and efficiently. 5. Gain a competitive edge. AI can help businesses to gain a competitive edge by automating tasks, improving efficiency, and making better decisions. The future of business automation with AI. The future of business automation is bright. As AI continues to develop, businesses will be able to automate even more tasks and processes. This will free up employees to focus on more strategic and creative work, leading to increased productivity and innovation. In addition, AI will be used to make better decisions about everything from customer service to marketing to product development. This will help businesses to improve their bottom line and stay ahead of the competition. If you are a business owner or manager, you need to start thinking about how AI can be used to automate your business processes and improve your bottom line. The future of business automation is here, and it is time to get ahead of the curve.
Please subscribe, share your thoughts and opinions, and join the conversation. Thank you.